A for apple. Apple means seb. B for ball. Ball means gend. C for cat. Cat means billi. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fish. Fish means machli. G for grapes. Grapes means angur. H for hen. Hen means murgi. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for joker. Joker means joker. K for kite. Kite means patang. L for lion. Lion means sher. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N for nest. Nest means ghosla. O for ox. Ox means bail. P for peacock. Peacock means more. Q for queen. Queen means rani. R for rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. S for sheep. Sheep means jahaj. T for train. Train means railgadi. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhata. V for vegetable. Vegetable means sabjiya. W for watch. Watch means ghadi. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree means Christmas tree. Y for yak. Yak means one guy. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. A for aeroplane. B for ball. C for cat.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसा लगा वीडियो?
D for dog. E for elephant. F for fan. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ink pot. J for jug. K for king. L for lamp. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra.